Here we go.
Well, there's a lot of heart in this volunteer state we all call home. And this week's Pay It Forward, Mike Witcher shares a story of a young man's joy of swinging.
Kobe is my son, my 23-year-old man-child.
But Kobe is not your typical 23-year-old.
Go for it.
He has autism. He may have graduated from high school, but Kobe doesn't have a job. He didn't go to college and doesn't have a career. And despite all of this, Kobe has a golden smile, especially when he's done swinging.
Every day. I mean, he's out here 5, 10 times a day at night, in the morning, rain or shine. And as soon as he gets off of it, there's an immediate, calm.
Good morning, Kobe.
However, it's not always been this way. You see, as Kobe continued to grow, the swings were not growing with him.
He started getting welts on the sides of his legs, on both sides of his thighs. He would actually be bleeding through his blue jeans.
And he couldn't even express his pain.
Kobe is nonverbal, and he's considered low functioning. Hi, buddy.
So Jennifer Thomas, or Mom, needed to find a solution. And she did what any mom would do. She reached out to anyone and everyone for help. And unfortunately was turned away time after time. Remember, Kobe is nearly 7 feet tall and weighs over 200 pounds. And he needed a swing.
Just amazing. Restored my faith. Let's put it that way.
She's talking about Alan Ellison at Mr. Handyman.
Alan came out immediately and brought an engineer with him and just went to work. I mean, they just made it happen very fast.
We built him a custom swing.
And not just any swing. A swing to support this gentle giant.
His size and his love for swinging and how it helps him, mentally and physically. And we just got excited about an opportunity to give back to someone.
And that they did. The week of Christmas this past year, Alan and his team presented a one-of-a-kind swing for a special person.
Kobe, Merry Christmas.
We call it the monument. It's Kobe's monument.
Mike Witcher.
Every time I look at it, I'm still in a little bit of awe.
10 News.
Just incredible. The swing took a lot of time and thought to meet Kobe's needs. And not only did he receive it for Christmas, but Alan and his team at Mr. Handyman gifted the entire project to Kobe for Christmas. So special. And you can tell Kobe loves it.